There's a lot of good things to this. Buy and hold, enjoy auto compounding in your wallet. Similar to like Sphere Finance, where you just buy the coin, you hold in your wallet, and you earn from there. Anti-dumping daily limits, which is a huge plus. Sustainable fixed daily ROI, 2.29%. Insurance fund, interest paid every 15 minutes, which is 96 times a day. All right, so wallet's connected, let's go. All right, so they have this, they're like, the website here is actually pretty cool how they've done it. Kind of something different instead of just a plain like website. So they have APY, so 383,025%. So they have like the next year, you will earn your money soon. So the next rebase. Aurora current price is definitely dropped. I have seen it as high as $1.70. Could be more, could be less. But I'm just going through a lot of these protocols, checking them out, and making a list for myself of what I want to invest in. This is on Avalanche. You got to be with your MetaMask. You have to be on the Avalanche chain. So let's go calculator. They have their Discord, Twitter, Telegram, all their docs, solid. So they have the like audit, which is pretty cool. So again, I always pretty much just start out with $100, which would give me 121 coins. So we'll leave everything at that, and we'll go half a year. Let's see what that gives you. Potential return about $6,000, so not bad. I've seen higher, but then again, if Aurora's price goes to say $1.50, you have 10 grand, half a year, 6 months. So you just let that build. So it gets really good. So say the price doesn't move, it gets really good. The compounding really starts to happen. You can see at 236 days, you're only at 20 grand. So how do you get to 300,000? We'll watch. 52, 53, 54. So you're earning a lot per day if you hold this right till the end. So at 300 days, you're at $87,000. I mean, by all means, you can pull it. So then 100, 325 days. So you just earned. So let's go 300 days. 387,000. Let's go 325. 25 days. Look at the difference. Like, this is where compounding comes into play. 350 days, 270. And this is in US pricing. $380,000 in a year if this goes long term and you hold it right till the end. So you would have 463,000 coins, which if the price stays the same, say it's 82 cents, nothing changes, it's hovering around that price, you sell it off, and that's your reward, $380,000. That is crazy. So they have a chart here. Everything's kind of down in the market right now. It is April 10th, so things kind of took a little bit of a hit. As you can see, it did plummet here. People took profit, sold off. Of course, a drop occurs later, which is fine. You have to expect that. It's going to happen. I'm not going to go through their docs, but they have everything here. I'm more so interested in their roadmap. What is coming? What are they going to do with this project? And what are their plans? So you can see some PR. So this is about where they are. So they haven't got to their campaigns yet, which I think will really boost it. So if you want to get in now while the price is where it's at, throw $100 at it, buy the coins. If you have to swap them, and get in. And then hold it. Don't touch it. Audits, competitive space. So they're going to have NFTs. Aurora Token. Let's have a look at that. Max supply. So you can see initial supply 3 million. For liquidity, team tokens worth at launch $5 grand. Launch price 1 USDC to E equals 1 Aurora. Initial market cap. Okay. Total 50,000 has been raised in pre-launch funding among the team. Okay. No extra mint or hidden tokens. The Aurora smart contract has no ability to mint extra tokens, nor can the supply be manually increased or use an artificial way to change the initial supply by awarding ourselves free tokens. So that's really good. You don't want that. Initial supply is 3 million tokens only. No rug pull. Liquidity is locked. Good. Check that out. So it cannot be touched or released early. Means as a token holder, you will always have the freedom to buy and sell whenever without restrictions or complications. Your tokens that you buy are yours and remain in your wallet and are never locked up. So there's no unlocking period. No bots. So they have their buy and sell fees. The amount of the fees, 14% for buys, 18% for sells. Allows Aurora to provide Aurora holders with a stable high yield. So that, from what I understand, will never change. So hold those tokens for a year. They have their burn mechanism, insurance fund. So you can go through this, have a look and see, check out their all the information here, the plans that they have for this project. This is one that I definitely think will go long term. Oh, 85. See? Jumped. There we go. So 394. See? 380 to 394. It's just the amount of tokens that you will get. So your initial investment, $102. Rewards. So say this goes to $1.50. In a year, you'll have 695. Let's double it. So at $2.50, 1 year, $100 investment, you buy at 85 cents, we'll say, $1.1 million. Pretty good. No bank could ever offer you this APY, ever. And the way they got this set up, this kind of cool design. So market cap, their price, pretty cool dashboard, value of their burn, value NFT fee balance. So yeah, I would say jump in on this one, but again, this is not financial advice. I'm gonna throw $100 at this one. I got a whole bunch that I'm gonna throw $100 at. It's about like $1,200 by the end that I'm done. And I'm just going to kind of see and hold 3 months, 6 months. I'll check them out and see where everything's at. And if I have to pull something, because I kind of feel it's going to go down, I'll take profit. But otherwise, I'm going to hold quite a few of these for a year, if I can, as long as they last. And then take profits at a year and see what I'm left with. But that will end today's video. And I will see you guys in the next one and go out and make some money.